Welcome to the world of mindful yoga, a transformative practice that combines the ancient wisdom of yoga with the principles of mindfulness. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshub.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. In just 5 minutes, we will explore the benefits, guide you through a mindful yoga practice, and provide you with valuable tips to enhance your journey. Let's begin. Mindful yoga offers a multitude of benefits for both the body and the mind. It helps reduce stress, enhances flexibility and strength, and promotes emotional well-being. By combining mindful awareness with the physical postures of yoga, you can experience a deep sense of peace and harmony within yourself. To embark on your mindful yoga journey, find a quiet space where you can practice without distractions. Begin by sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and taking a few deep breaths. As you settle into your breath, let go of any thoughts or worries. Bring your attention to the present moment, anchoring yourself in the here and now. As you transition into the physical aspect of mindful yoga, move with intention and awareness. Pay attention to the sensations in your body, noticing the stretch, the strength, and the alignment of each posture. Throughout your practice, maintain a sense of non-judgment and self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself, accepting your body's unique abilities and limitations. Remember, mindful yoga is not just about what happens on the mat. It's about integrating mindfulness into your everyday life. Carry the principles of presence, non-judgment, and self-compassion with you off the mat, extending the benefits of mindful yoga into your daily activities. Now, here are some valuable tips to enhance your mindful yoga practice. Start with short sessions, begin with 5 to 10 minute practices and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Create a dedicated space, designate a quiet area where you can practice without interruptions, making it a sanctuary for your mindful yoga journey. Be consistent, set aside regular time for your practice. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of mindful yoga. Listen to your body, honor your body's signals and modify or skip postures that feel uncomfortable or painful. Your practice should always prioritize safety and well-being. Seek guidance. Consider joining a mindful yoga class or seeking guidance from experienced instructors who can help you deepen your practice. Mindful yoga is a powerful tool for self-discovery, stress reduction, and holistic well-being. Embrace this transformative practice and allow it to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. As you continue your journey with mindful yoga, may you find inner peace, embrace self-compassion, and cultivate a deep connection with yourself and the world around you.